Hi guys, traditionally pancakes were made with maida, but in this video we are going to make pancake with this multigrain millet flour. This instant pancake mix is by Slurrp Farm. 150-gram pack will cost you rupees 149 and the shelf life is 12 months. Packaging is quite decent. It has animated animal character to attract kids section. The main ingredient of this pancake mix is oats, foxtail millet, jowar, jaggery, banana. So coming to the recipe, empty entire content in a large mixing bowl. To this add 2 spoon approx 10 ml of oil or ghee. 1 egg, it's purely optional, you can add for extra protein. And the pack says 240 ml of milk. Add milk little by little. Mix it until it turns into a smooth batter. Okay, I have a point for you to note here is pack says 240 ml of milk, but to me 150 ml seems okay. If we add the whole 240 ml, the batter would be runny and the pancake won't turn soft. So the batter consistency should be like this. Here you can notice choco chips and lots of oat flakes. Okay, moving on to the recipe. Heat a non-stick pan. Pour a ladle full of batter to the center of the heated pan, and you don't have to spread it. It automatically takes the shape of the pancake. Mine is a non-stick pan, so I did not grease it. If you use a normal tawa, grease it beforehand. So within 2 minutes you will notice these bubbles up here. It means it's the right time to flip. Flip and cook the other side. Let's try one more pancake and one more pancake. See, the pancake are getting the perfect shape and not even a single one stick to the tawa. I was literally skeptical about this as it was a millet based pancake mix. However, the taste and the texture was much better than my expectation. Pancake were true to their flavor of banana and choco chip. With modified milk proportion, pancake turned out quite fluffy. The cooking time was like 2 minutes for each pancake and you can make 8 pancakes of this size. I definitely love this pancake mix. Just modify the milk proportion, give it a try and subscribe for more such videos.